This is Olivia. She is good at a lot of things. She is very good at wearing people out. She even wears herself out. Olivia has a little brother named Ian. He's always copying. Sometimes Ian just won't leave her alone. So Olivia has to be firm. Olivia lives with her mother, her father, her brother, her dog, Harry, and Edwin, the cat. After she gets up and moves the cat, and brushes her teeth, and combs her hair, and moves the cat, Olivia gets dressed. She has to try on everything. On sunny days, Olivia likes to go to the beach. She feels it's important to come prepared. Last summer, when Olivia was little, her mother showed her how to make sandcastles. She got pretty good. Sometimes Olivia likes to bask in the sun. When her mother sees when she's had enough, they go home. Every day, Olivia is supposed to take a nap. It's time for your you-know-what, her mother says. Of course, Olivia is not at all sleepy. On rainy days, Olivia likes to go to the museum. She heads straight for her favorite picture. Olivia looks at it for a long time. What could she be thinking? But there is one painting Olivia just doesn't get. I could do that in about 5 minutes, she says to her mother. As soon as she gets home, she gives it a try. Time out. After a nice bath and a nice dinner, it's time for bed. But of course, Olivia's not at all sleepy. Only 5 books tonight, Mummy, she says. No, Olivia, just 1. How about 4? 2? 3? Oh, all right, 3. But that's it. When they finish reading, Olivia's mother gives her a kiss and says, "You know, you really wear me out, but I love you anyways." And Olivia gives her a kiss back and says, "I love you anyways too." Olivia by Ian Falconer. Read with the voice of Eliot Rite. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. It really means a lot. Thanks. This has been Eliot Rite, writing goodbye. Till next time.